How do I inspect protective footwear? Are you ready to ensure your protective footwear is in top shape for emergencies or hurricanes? Let's break down how to inspect your boots effectively. First, start with the exterior condition. Look closely at the outer surface for any visible damage. Check for cracks, cuts, tears, or holes. These issues can allow water or sharp debris to enter your footwear. Pay special attention to seams and stitching, as wear or separation can compromise their integrity. Next, inspect the soles. They should be free from excessive wear, cracks, or separation from the upper part of the shoe. In hurricane or flood situations, having good tread and slip resistance is essential to prevent falls on slick surfaces. Now let's assess waterproofing and seals. For wet conditions, your boots must be waterproof. Check that the materials are intact and that seals around openings, like zippers or gussets, are secure. Any breach can lead to water entering your boots. Evaluate the structural integrity of your footwear. Many protective boots include features like steel toes or puncture-resistant midsoles. Make sure these components are not damaged. Gently press on the toe area to ensure the steel toe cap is secure. Next, examine the fastening systems. Check laces, Velcro, buckles, or zippers to make sure they function properly. They need to secure the footwear firmly to prevent slipping off during movement in hazardous conditions. Don't forget to look inside the footwear. Inspect the interior lining for tears, moisture, mold, or unpleasant odors. These signs can indicate degradation or contamination. The insole should also be in good condition to provide proper support. Test the flexibility and comfort of your boots. Bend them to ensure they are flexible enough for movement but not so worn that they compromise protection. Stiffness in certain areas might indicate material breakdown. Cleanliness is also important. Remove dirt, mud, or debris that could cause deterioration or reduce grip. Regularly clean your boots, especially after exposure to floodwaters. Check for chemical or biological contamination after exposure to floodwaters. Inspect for residues or odors. If contamination is suspected, clean thoroughly or replace the footwear to avoid health risks. Finally, confirm proper fit. Protective footwear must fit well to provide effective protection and avoid blisters or injuries. Try them on with the socks you plan to wear during emergencies. In practical terms for hurricane preparedness, always have at least one pair of sturdy, waterproof, slip-resistant boots ready as part of your emergency kit. Inspect your boots regularly before hurricane season and after any use in flood or debris-filled environments. If any inspection step reveals damage, replace the footwear to ensure safety. Using boots with steel toes and puncture-resistant soles is wise when clearing debris or walking through hazardous flood zones. Keeping your footwear clean and dry when possible will help maintain its protective qualities. By following these steps, you can ensure your protective footwear remains reliable during emergencies, reducing the risk of injury and exposure to hazards.